Using search engine in conducting a guided search. For the start, do the following exercise. You can pause this video if you will need more time. Press play again when you're finished with the activity and play when you're ready to proceed with the lesson. Be sure you have a piece of paper and pen with you to write your answer. Ready? Go! Identify the correct answer for the following statements. Write the letter of your answer. 1. It is a web-based software system which is developed to search and locate relevant information on the web. A. Browser. B. Link. C. Search engine. 2. This type of search engine is like a card catalog in a library, classifying websites into categories. A. Crawler. B. Directories. C. Hybrid. 3. What is the best keyword for cyberbullying brings negative effect to kids? They experience anxiety, fear, depression, and low self-esteem. They also struggle academically. A. Cyberbullying. B. Struggle of kids. C. Effects of cyberbullying. 4. To get the most filtered search result to be given by search engine is to type keywords this way. A. Close family ties. Unquote. B. Close family ties. C. Close family ties. Asterisk. 5. These tips help you make the most of search. Which one is not? A. Always use only one search engine. B. Use 2 or more keywords in your search. C. Make your keywords as precise as possible. Let us see if you got them all correctly. The answers are 1. C, 2. B, 3. C, 4. A, and 5. A. In the past lesson, you have learned how the changes in volume, projection, pitch, stress, intonation, juncture, and rate of speech source change the meaning and features of speech when delivering lines or speaking. Thus, we have to take extra care when we speak and try to apply this to have an effective conversation with others. From these speeches, we can get different information aside from speeches. We can also get information we need through the internet. It allows us to find and gather relevant information in a certain topic. And a main part of your research process will be sifting through your findings to determine what is useful. Before we proceed with the lesson, let's do the guessing game. Take a look at the following logos or symbols. Can you guess what these are? Right. These symbols or logos are Google, Yahoo, Bing. They are found in the internet and they are commonly used when searching. They are called search engines. Another examples of search engines are Ask, MSN, DuckDuckGo, and About. Now, what do you think is a search engine? Do you have any idea of its different types? Do you know how to take advantage of them? As we go on with our lesson, we will be able to find the answers to these questions. A search engine is a web-based software system which is developed to search and locate relevant information on the World Wide Web. It generally answers the queries entered by the users and gives them a list of search results. Here are the 3 types of search engines and they work differently from each other. 1. Crawler-based. It uses a spider or crawler that digs through individual web pages, pulls out keywords and then adds the pages to the search engine's database. Google and Yahoo are examples. 2. Directories are like a card catalog in a library, classifying websites into categories. 3. Hybrid. It's a mix of crawlers and directories. Human results are usually listed first. Google and Bing are examples. This graphic shows how Internet works. They work as crawling. Scour the Internet for content, looking over the code content for each URL they find. Indexing. Store and organize the content found during the crawling process. Ranking. Provide the pieces of content that will best answer a searcher's query, which means that results are ordered by most relevant to least relevant. Browser. The browser is the entryway to your internet searches. You can use a variety of different search engines to help you begin your searching, including Google, MSNs, Bing, Ask, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Dogpile, AltaVista, and AOL Search. Have you searched for something but you have difficulty in finding it? There are strategies we can do to make your search fast, easy, efficient, and accurate. Here are some tips to help make the most of a search. To perform a search, you'll need to navigate to a search engine in your web browser. Type one or more keywords, then press Enter on your keyboard. Make your keywords as precise as possible. Keywords are a very important factor in searching, so be specific with the word you want to search. Example, Tyrannosaurus rex, or dinosaurs. Searching for your favorite dinosaur. Which keywords do you think is precise? You are right. Tyrannosaurus rex. You'll get too much general information if you just type in dinosaurs. And it is not even specific hit about your favorite one. It's more precise to use the first keywords. Tyrannosaurus rex. Use two or more keywords in your search. Include the most important keywords first. For example, you wanted information about what the T-Rex ate. What will be your keywords? Correct. You can use Tyrannosaurus rex diet as your keywords. The search engine will look for web pages that contain all these words. To combine or filter keywords, use Boolean search operation such as AND, NOT, and OR. This limits the search result to only those keywords. Use AND if you want to include two search terms. Example, you want to search about the word network, also the word administrator. So, you will be typing on your browser this, network and administrator. Whereas, use OR if you want to search words with multiple terms, like network administrator and network manager. So you have to type in the browser network administrator or network manager, and the search engine will look for both of these. Then use NOT if you do not want to include specific term. Example, you want to search only about administrator and you do not need result on the word manager. Then you have to type your keyword like this, administrator, not manager. You can also search for exact words or phrases to narrow down your results even more. All you need to do is place quotation marks around the desired search terms. Example: if you search for recipes sugar cookies, your search results will only include recipes for sugar cookies, instead of any cookies that happen to use sugar as an ingredient. Make sure you spell the keywords correctly. If your keyword is incorrect, your search would turn up empty. If you are not sure of a word's correct spelling, use a dictionary or look for a search suggestion that will appear like this. Always try more than one search engine. Each search engine doesn't look through every site on the web. Instead, most search engines check website pages every once in a while to create their own databases. Different search engines will usually come up with different results, so it makes sense to use more than one. After the discussion of what you need to know in having efficient, effective, and accurate internet search, let's do the practice exercise. Tell whether each statement to be flashed is true or false. Make a thumbs up if it's true and thumbs down if it is false. 1. In searching for information, I need to be specific with the keywords that I will use. Thumbs up. Correct. 2. I navigate to a search engine in a web browser. Type one or more keywords, then press Enter on my keyboard. Thumbs up. That's right. 3. After I run a search, I will see a list of irrelevant websites that will not match my search terms. Thumbs down, because you will see relevant websites that match your search terms. 4. Search suggestions are helpful in making my search fast and efficient. Thumbs up, because you can use the search suggestions for your keywords. 5. If I don't know the spelling of the word I search, I will look for a dictionary. Thumbs up, that's great. You did well. Let us have another one. Identify the keywords for each statement to make the search of information precise. Choose the letter of your answer. 1. Search engine has a lot of types such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing. A. Search engine. B. Search engine types. C. Search Google. That's right. The answer is B. 2. I want to know more about butterflies, but I'm also interested in birds. A. Birds interested. B. Butterflies and birds. C. Butterflies but birds. You are correct. The answer is B. 4. In Philippines, they prepare a lot of delicious foods such as lechon, adobo, lumpia, kakanin, and more. These are some of their delicacies. A. Delicious foods. B. Philippine lechon. C. Philippine delicacies. Wonderful! You are right. The answer is C. 4. I will look for a recipe of a cake that has much caramel but no chocolate. A. Recipe cake. B. Caramel no chocolate cake. C. Recipe caramel cake with quotation. Very good. The answer is C. 5. Many people love to visit Iloilo because of its Dinagyang Festival, where people on the street dance with the beat of the drums to honor their patron saints. A. Street dance. B. Dinagyang Festival. C. Dance to honor the saints. Good job! The answer is B. That's wonderful, and you are doing great. After we discuss the lesson in this module, it is important to remember that search engines help us to search and locate relevant information on the web. Search engine has three types such as crawler, directories, and hybrid, and they function through crawling, indexing, and ranking. Getting keywords is one of the faster and easier ways in searching in the internet effectively. Let's do the last activity. Make the search of information precise. Choose the right keywords for the following sentence. Write the letter of the correct answer for each number. The answers are 1. C, 2. B, 3. B, 4. A, and 5. A. That's all for today, and I hope you have learned something. Goodbye and have a nice day.